Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And here I gonna show you the important walkthrough on the Apple Watch zoom screen in 3 different ways. Enter your Apple Watch in zoom screen and exit Apple Watch zoom screen. Mostly Apple Watch users stuck on the zoom screen, accidentally or intentionally, while they press the Apple Watch side button continuously on wrist. Or would keep inside a pocket or bag. Let's follow me to know all about the Apple Watch zoom screen. The first and easy method to exit the zoom screen Apple Watch is to press the digital crown button 3 times continuously and zoom out Apple Watch screen. If you press the digital crown button for 3 times continuously, then your Apple Watch screen moves into the zoom screen. And same like iPhone zoom out and zoom in, shown in my previous video. To move on your Apple Watch zoom screen, use 2-finger gesture and swipe 2 finger on the screen, you will get the info that you want. The second method to zoom out Apple Watch screen is using iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone, then scroll and find the accessibility settings option. Now, under the accessibility settings, tap on the zoom option. Turn off the zoom toggle and instantly zoom out your Apple Watch screen at the same time. Here's my Apple Watch is back to the normal screen. If I enabled zoom on the iPhone Watch app, then my Apple Watch behaves the same as that. That's a very easy method. Also, you can change the zoom level with a given slider given on your iPhone screen. That's pretty cool. Third way to zoom in and zoom out Apple Watch screen from Watch app settings. Unlock your Apple Watch and press the digital crown button to move to the Apple Watch home screen. Then tap on the settings gear icon and scroll to accessibility using your finger. Then, tap on the zoom option, and here's the zoom toggle for zoom in and zoom out screen. On the same screen, we have another option of the zoom level. Using this slider we can enlarge the screen as we want. We can manage zoom settings either iPhone Watch app or Apple Watch settings app, that's coordinated amazingly. That's the final method to manage zoom screen settings on the Apple Watch. Hope you get the solution in this video, so thumbs and subscribe for more update. Also, comment on me to get more help from us.